welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make aapams without yeast. This is a very delicious recipe with no compromise in the regular taste of the aapams made using yeast. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. I've taken 2 cups of raw PONNI rice. This has been soaking for 4 hours in water. Now drain off the water and keep it ready. Transfer it to a mixer jar. To this add 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 cup of water. Grind this to a very fine paste. Transfer the paste to a vessel. Now to the same mixer jar, add 1 cup of chopped coconut, 1 cup of steamed rice. You can also use leftover rice, 2 tablespoons of sugar and 1 cup of water. Grind this to a very fine paste. Transfer this to the same vessel. Mix all the ingredients well. Close with the lid and let this rest for 6 hours. It's been 6 hours, so let's now open and check. To this, add 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda and mix well. Now our aapam batter without yeast is ready, so let's go make some aapams. Heat an aapam pan and pour in a ladle full of aapam batter. Spread it like this. Close with the lid and let this cook for 15 seconds. It's been 15 seconds, so let's now open and check. Our aapams are nicely done, so let's now remove it. If you prefer your aapams to brown a little, you can cook for a few more seconds. I like it a little white, so 15 seconds of cook time is good enough. Now a delicious and soft aapam is ready. You can serve this either with some coconut milk and sugar or with some chicken or egg masala. Very easy, delicious and healthy breakfast recipe. So do try this no yeast appam recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, do visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. Do subscribe to our Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video.